Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your iPad 4th generation Pro 11-inch. And to do this, first we'll need to open our App Store. Right here, go for the search. In the search pool, enter Google Classroom. Now it's this app right here, so we can select it, click on the cloud with arrow pointing down to download it. When it's ready, hit the open, click on get started, and now you'll need to sign into your Google account. So I have one, and let me log in now. After you logged in, go with allow. Then click on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, hit the join again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.